All right, we're here at 330 Mansion House in St. Louis. I've been wanting to ride these for years, and they're finally open. We have some more original vintage Otis elevators that are just like 220 Mansion House. So go down to 2P. Now let's go up to 3. Back down to 2P.
Oh, 2. Cabs are pretty much the same as what we just rode in the other building, except the lighting's different. Oh, and the walls are carpet too. And I got Jason here.
I was always curious if these were still original or not, and this building's always been locked up. So let's see if we can ride the other car.
Okay. This one's got a fan. So you've never filmed these before?
They've never been open.
Wow. Well, this is a first for both of us.
Yep.
Yeah. You could say we just stumbled upon these.
Well, that was cool. Glad I finally got to ride these. I've been curious too. I never knew if they were modded or if they were original, but they're original. So that's it.